Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates St. Anne's School at Garagray in southwest Garo Hills. United Democratic Party to set up footballer Eugene Lingdor for Mauplang by-election in Meghalaya. Jenta Institute of Technology gives awards to students. And Meghalaya MTC bus plunges into Ringdi River at Nongtram in southwest Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the St. Anne's School at Garagray in southwest Garo Hills. The inaugural program was graced by Bishop of Tura, retired Reverend Andrew R. Marak, and Auxiliary Bishop Reverend Joe C.J. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lauded the role of the Catholic missionaries for the development of education not only in Meghalaya. Speaking on the occasion, Reverend Joe C.J. profusely thanked the Chief Minister for various assistance to the Catholic Church. On the other hand, the Bishop of Tura, retired Reverend Andrew R. Marak, reminded the former Lok Sabha Speaker Purno A. Sangma, who once termed the nurturing of good as the greatest human foundation. Reverend Jose also said that the missionaries will continue to work for the spread of education. The singing of the students added color to the entire inaugural program.
Bishop, he is Samba Sagiri Hangers. Monday question Kirana. Mana, Yari Bitikwa and Sasoni Sasuna Simak. Opa. Our P.S. Samba Sagiri education go blowing in the air. Education of top priority for Abire. Menaka, Hamba school teachers. School teacher Manigaman. Manaka Sada Benako, the Atanama. Matapat Polichiranko, actually Visama. Here Samba Sagia Taman, teacher of A, Yakoma Shie, education Namosa, Aksung Banamgen, Aksung Basungen, and it is Sama Abonamas. Oligaman Bini. Ya sanksian itu, lakot sabah government job tak lo kampu kaya. Education senatak priority. Dan suat sini auxiliary bishop dan semana data ko niya tu. Actually education system nak nam zega, result nam zega. Are really reasons of apa? Are ya ko sisa ba sigi isa ko nak pun tengah tamat game ada observe. Pero hazard Shivrina but play sudah lo school rang, college rang, institution rang gua 14,000 hazard so talk na
United Democratic Party today decided to field footballer Eugene Lingdor for by-election to the Mauplang Assembly constituency. The Mauplang Assembly seat fell vacant following the demise of independent Meghalaya legislator S.K. Sun, who was an associate member of the UDP. Eugene Lingdor is the son of former MLA S.K. Sun.
Kajin kla kinipa kabakinde kalong kabasmo jisosi kabakram yangi untang kayin kasem kamopang konstituensi magkajalan ibarokwe ipa ilong ibreo ba kakam kren kamjam banyak tian haka at punyo terik sini kau unir tayo pi pai ba pinawan chma hanya hiye man pit snow yang ini kum kaye kasan kerpa yang mangan nikmat mangan bodin yang ini kam ipa nadok dah kajing sosi kawakrau abang lagi wapi lawan hang ni wapi pit snow kajing pun kejombi mangan lagi bersyum di bawah kita yang ini kam baik pa lagi setengah kum kayen nilai syom nilai pekat bahang tu kasih di nilai kuat karai nak kayen henry kum kayen nyak syom nyak pekat pekat lang nyak sedih lang namanta ni kam te malapan pi lapan por sisi arsi mangan yo banyak tua jumul lang pakai ye kasar lan akhirnya nyaka pakha hari ni isi nilai yo banyak dan gajinya lah kursun pak korindo pak limba gajing menjur lang kila orang yang pakila magnang ya semua hak hangnya atas ni ngayon hak mat kejoki ba lingkap kajing kitbok kajing kiruyang kakursun kakurindo pat kumju kajing kitbok kitrang pi kipai pa bangga larai rang ba pangansimti.
The Janja Institute of Technology Jowai today gave away the awards to 3 students who have done well in the competition examination of course diploma in computer application. Among the 15 participants, Delia Jones Taryang was ranked first, Wanpunhun Lanong second and R1 Ki Suchen ranked third. As an encouragement, the Managing Director of JIT Bankit Bor Marwin gave to Delia Jones Taryang 1 set of computer system, Wanpunhun Lanong was given 64 GB pen drive and R1 Ki Suchen was given 32 GB pen drive. Speaking on the occasion, Bankit Bor Marwin said that these students will be an encouragement for the others.
I am incredibly proud of your achievement and accomplishments with acknowledgement your milestones. You have received this award for demonstrating an outstanding academic and interpersonal skill. Congratulations on your receiving this prestigious and much deserved award. We are proud and of the great honor you have brought to the Institute, and this achievement will encourage and motivate other students to do their best. And in the near future, the JIT Institute will try to put students into 100 placement based on their skill and knowledge that they have enhanced. Since we are trying to link the students who are undergoing the training in this JIT Institute, it's not that they come only for the certificate, but firstly, my advice, and it is very important, students must come first, they must put the knowledge first. Not the certificate proposed just only for the government service or just only for the government job. But they must put first, they must enhance, they must work hard to get their knowledge for the experience. And since then, I'm trying in this near future to link the JIT Institute with the others big company in this state of Meghalaya, especially within this giant hills. There are many factories, so that the students who are done the computer course or the skill training from JIT Institute, they will get placement. So with all of this, I would like to thank you.
One Meghalaya MTC bus last night plunged into the Ringdi River at Nongchram in East Garo Hills, while it was on its way from Tura to Shillong. The rescue team of Rongjeng William Nagar immediately rushed to the spot when they heard about the incidents to render their assistance. In this mishap, 5 people were killed on the spot and the injured people were taken to Rongjeng PHC for treatment. Among the passengers, 9 of them were from Tura and 12 from Williamnagar. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.